yaxshi tanilgan.
Welcome to Uzbekistan.
Your Excellency, Smita ji, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Balki, Gauri, Sayami, Namaste, good evening. Thank you for this very warm welcome to Tashkent.
Barchangizga assalomu alaykum aziz mehmonlar. Elchi xonim, Smita Pant, Gauri va Mrs. Samaya xonimlarim va Arbalki janoblari va barcha bizning do'stlarimiz bu diyorga ikkinchi marotaba tashrif buyurishim.
As you've just seen, I came here to Tashkent, I think almost 40 years ago, with my father for a film festival with the great Mr. Raj Kapoor as well.
Ya'ni mana ekranlarda ko'rib turibsiz, bundan bir necha yil oldin, ya'ni o'zimning otam bilan shu sizning diyoringizga tashrif buyurganman.
I've just landed a few hours ago and I've been overwhelmed by the love and the respect that you'll show not just to me, but to my family, to our film industry and to my country.
Men bugungina shu diyorga tashrif buyurdim va shu diyordagi barcha mehmonlar meni iliq kutib olganlari uchun barchangizga minnatdor deb qolaman.
Tashkent is always going to be a very special place in my acting journey of being a film actor, because my father told me that I signed my first ever autograph in Tashkent as a kid. So my journey of being a film star started over here.
Men uchun O'zbekiston juda ham muhim deb o'ylayman, chunki men birinchi marotaba o'zimni dastlabki otam O'zbekistonga tashrif buyurganlarida hamma ulardan dastxat olganda men ham o'zimni birinchi dastxatimni aynan sizning diyoringizdagi do'stlarimga berganman.
I'm very honored to be a part of the film festival and to bring our film Kumar, which screens tomorrow, and I hope everybody can come and see it. It's a beautiful film directed by Balki and a stellar performance by my dear friend Sayami Khair.
Men yana bir bor aytmoqchiman, shu dargohga tashrif buyurganimdan men bag'oyat xursandman va meni ishtirokimda yaratilgan Gumer filmini ertaga taqdimoti bo'lishidan juda ham bag'oyatda xursandman va o'zimni oilalarim, ya'ni Arbalki, Sayami va Gaurilar bilan birgalikda o'ynagan rollarim bilan ertaga sizlarni ko'rishdan bag'oyat xursandman.
I would like to thank the Uzbekistan Cinematography Agency and the Indian Embassy for hosting us and for giving us this opportunity to share some of our Indian culture with Uzbekistan.
Avvalambor o'zimni minnatdorchiligimni Hindiston Respublikasining O'zbekistondagi favqulodda va muxtor elchisi xonim Smita Pant xonimga va shu bilan birga O'zbekiston sinematografiya rahbariga bildirmoqchiman, ya'ni birgalikda shunday chiroyli ulug' kutib olganingiz uchun tashakkurlar deyman.
And I hope and pray that we get the opportunity to increase this bridge, cultural bridge between the two countries. I hope we can come and make many more films here, and I hope a lot of Uzbekistani films are shown in India.
Va umid qilamanki, bizning madaniy aloqalarimiz davom etadi va mustahkam bo'ladi.
Rahmat.
Thank you so much, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. I extend warmest welcome to all of you as we celebrate womanhood, Sashakt Nari through cinema. I express very, very warm thanks to Mr. Shukratullah Rizayev from Cinematography Agency of Uzbekistan, Center of Cinematography Development and Palace of the National Cinematic Art of Uzbekistan for their very splendid support. And our esteemed guest from India need no introduction, Ms. Sayami Khair, Mrs. Gauri Shinde, Mr. Abhishek Bachchan and Mr. R. Balki. We couldn't have had a better delegation today as we organize Women Film Festival to create one of the finest movies on women's grit, resilience and determination amidst the agony and pain of being rendered handicapped in an accident. Rumor. It establishes her worth again. It's a film that has
taklif etamiz va o'rnimizdan turib hurmat ko'rsatgan holda biroz sesinglar bilan kutib olsak.